This video is video 2 of class 11, chapter 11, the living world. In this video we are discussing about biodiversity. Now, what is biodiversity? Bio means living and diversity means different kinds of living organisms. Now, as per NCERT book, there are 1.7 to 1.8 million species of both plants and animals which are identified, classified and given scientific name. You have studied in junior classes that each living organism has been given common name and scientific name. Common name, like ourselves, we are called human beings or man, women, and the scientific name is Homo sapiens. Now, out of 1.7 to 1.8 million species which are on record of the scientists, how many of them are plants and how many of them are animals? It is now known that there are more number of animal species and more than 1 million species constitute animals. So animals constitute more than 1 million species, in which insects have the 70% of total animal species. If we calculate, then we will find that out of 1 million, 70% they are of insects species. Then that means that there are 7 lakhs, because 1 million is 10 lakhs. So 70% of 10 lakhs will be 7 lakh species of insects. Plant species are less. There are 0.7 to 0.8 million species of plants. That means there are 70,000 to 80,000 species of plants. Because 0.7 of 10 lakhs will be 70,000, or 0.8 will be 80,000. Now, among plants, there more than 50% species are of fungi. Fungi are the non-green plants. So this was about the biodiversity on Earth. Scientist Robert May, who studied biodiversity on Earth, according to him, 4 to 4.5 million species of plants and animals are still unknown. What is the meaning? It means that they are there on the earth, but we have not identified them, we have not classified them, we have not given them the scientific names. Now, why? Robert May says that on earth there are very large and dense tropical forests, tropical rainforests. And one example of a largest, that is the largest and densest tropical, most dense tropical rainforest is Amazon forest, which is located in Brazil, South America. Brazil is a country in the continent South America. Now, these forests, like Amazon forest and other tropical rainforests, are so dense that human beings are not able to reach these forests, the inner parts of these forests. And still there are so many plant and animal species living there. We don't know about them. This is what Robert May says. Now we will come to the term classification. Now what is classification? You have studied that there are 1.7 to 1.8 million species of plants and animals on Earth. Now it is very difficult to study each and every species separately. That's why scientists, they have done, they are known as taxonomists. What they have done is they have grouped the animals and plants in different groups. They have placed the animals and plants in different groups on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities in characters. What is the meaning? It means the animals belonging to similar characters are kept in one group. Animals belonging to different characters are kept in another group. And same thing about the plants. So what is classification? Classification is a method in which the organisms are placed in different groups on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities in their characters. Now we'll take up some of the groups. You know,